In Excel, we're often forced to break information down into different columns. For instance, to put first names in one column and last name in a separate column so that we can easily sort by last name. But there comes a time where you want to join information from various cells together. For example, in C2, I may want to join Sue Jones together to create a full name. I'll use a formula to do this. I'll type equals A2 and then use the ampersand. The ampersand is the character you find above the 7 when you hold the shift. The ampersand means and. I want Sue in A2 and a space. Now a space never goes in a formula or function unless it's inside double quotes to form a sentence or to space things out. So I'll go double quote, space, double quote. Ampersand B2. So I want A2 and a space and B2. I want Sue and a space and Jones. Enter. I'll then click on C2, double click the thin cross and fill it down. Having calculated the full names, I may no longer require columns A and B. But if I select column A and go Control minus, I actually cause an error with the function because the function needed the information that was in column A. So I'll go Control Z to undo. Sometimes I'd like to copy the results of a formula and paste the results straight back on the formulas and drop the formulas and just keep the results. I'm going to highlight C2 to C8 and take a copy of that information. I'm then going to hit the drop down on the paste button and I'm going to choose values. And if I press escape, I'll stop the wiggle. The effect of that is I now have the values stored in those cells and not the formulas. So if I was to delete columns A and B, the formulas won't fall over.